Our Roku streaming stick is currently in the UK store region, and we want to change it to the US so that we can download exclusive apps like Max, Hulu, and Peacock. To begin, we first need to wipe our Roku device completely. You can find this option by going into settings and entering a 4-digit code. After a few seconds, your device will be wiped and ready to be linked to a new region. Now we've reset our Roku device, we need to do the same to our Roku account. Log in from your browser and find the Deactivate Account option hidden in the bottom left corner. Roku will want to know why you're leaving, but you can enter anything here and move on. We're finally ready to create a new Roku account in the US region. To make sure Roku recognizes our new location, we need to first connect to a VPN server in America. We recommend using ExpressVPN here. Its large server network and strong security make it perfect for changing your location online. You can enter your personal details as normal here, as it's not tied to your region. You're now given the option to add a payment method to your Roku account. If you choose to, you must make sure it's a payment method accepted by the new region you're switching to. This includes the zip code. You can also just skip this step by closing the window as your account has already been created, but this will prevent you from purchasing premium services on Roku in the future. You've successfully created an account in a new region. We just need to link your Roku device to it now. Back on your Roku, it will boot up brand new following your factory reset. When prompted to choose a network, it's essential you connect your Roku to a VPN server in the same region as the one you're switching to. You can do this by installing a VPN on a router, like we've done here, or sharing a VPN connection from a virtual hotspot. Enter your network's password and wait for the Roku to connect. Just like when you first set up your Roku device, you'll need to select your preferred picture quality and current TV brand. This is all part of the standard Roku setup process. Now, enter in your email address you used to create your account earlier. This will link your Roku device to it. You should see an activation email pop up in your inbox immediately. If not, make sure to check your spam just in case. In our experience, it doesn't actually make a difference where you claim your Roku device is located. Don't worry too much about which options you select here. Every US channel will be available to you within Roku Store once the device is linked. Scroll down to the bottom of the page once you're happy with your choices and click Continue to complete setup. After a few seconds, you should see your Roku device update. It will now begin adding all the US channels you selected. Feel free to press the home button on your Roku remote to skip the tutorial video. Your Roku is now fully set up, complete with the channels from your new region. As you can see, we've now switched to the US store, giving us access to exclusives like Hulu and Max. All that's left to do now is enjoy streaming content from all over the globe on your Roku.